Hello guys, what if Goku could sing your favorite songs? From Rap God to Bohemian Rhapsody, imagine hearing the Saiyan warrior belt out those tunes. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create Goku AI song covers using an incredible tool called Jammable. It's fast, easy, and a whole lot of fun. Ready to hear Goku sing?
So my daddy said stay away from Julia, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.
If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is Jammable? Jammable is an AI-powered music generator that lets you create realistic, fun AI song covers in seconds. Whether you want to hear your favorite character sing or turn your ideas into epic tracks, Jammable makes it all possible with just a few clicks. Part 2. How to use Jammable to create Goku AI song covers. Step 1. Prepare your vocal track and keep it clean.
So my daddy said stay away from Julia, and I was crying on a staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Then head over to the Jammable website and create an account. Step 2. Next, search for Goku. You'll find different versions of his voice. Select the one you like best.
To feel your heart beat next to mine, won't you come on down? Forget about your past, you can't take my hand. I don't even wanna go out tomorrow if you won't be there for the ride. 'Cause it's been so many days I've been missing you.
Click Create and upload the track you want Goku to sing. After that, add preset and set the customizations. Step 3. Click Start Cover. The Goku AI song cover will be ready in seconds.
So my daddy said stay away from Julia, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
To unlock downloads, it costs just $1.99 per month. Now you're free to share your AI-generated cover. Part 3. Tips for creating the best Goku AI song covers. 1. Choose the right song. Goku's voice works best with energetic, powerful tracks. Think rock, pop, or even anime theme songs. 2. Use high-quality tracks. For the best results, upload high-quality instrumental tracks. Clean, crisp background music will make Goku's vocals sound clearer and more dynamic. 3. Experiment with effects. Jammable lets you to tweak the pitch and speed. Play around with these settings until you find a version that sounds just right. 4. Get creative with song choice. Try out different genres like rap or even classical music. You'd be amazed at how well Goku adapts to new styles. There you have it. With Jammable, you can create hilarious and epic Goku AI song covers in just 1 minute. So why not give it a try? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.